You finally get the courage to ask someone for a warm introduction, and they've ignored your email. Again, what went wrong? Was it too pushy, too vague, too soon? Welcome to the painful art of warm intros gone cold. Today we've got 3 warm introduction mistakes that will make you look like a rookie. Starting with making it all about you. Imagine your friend texts you, "Hey, can you introduce me to your boss so I can pitch them something?" That's not networking, that's nerve. And let's say you send this message, "Hey, can you intro me to Sarah at Stripe? I'd love to tell her about what we do." Sounds harmless, right? But here's what you're really saying. "Please take time out of your day to help me sell something that benefits me more than anybody else in this situation." You're asking your contact to do 3 things. Think about the product you sell, think about the way they want to frame it to Sarah to make it sound valuable, and risk their own reputation. We're taught to sell ourselves, so we think, I need to explain what I do, what I want, and how I can help. But warm intros don't follow the logic of a pitch, they follow the logic of trust. The person making the intro has to look smart, relevant, and generous in the eyes of the recipient. That means your message should make them look good, not you. Instead, write the blurb for them and make it sound like they're doing Sarah a favor. For example, "Hey Sarah, wanted to introduce you to my friend Jamie. They're working on a tool that helps RevOps teams cut manual CRM work in half. Figured it might be up your alley." Do you see the difference? You can't let an intro slip through the crack because of laziness. "Know anyone I should talk to" is the worst kind of ask. It's vague, high effort, and totally forgettable. You made it way too easy for the person to say no. You're outsourcing your sales strategy to your network, and that's the best way to get nothing from your network. Simply put, people are busy. They don't want to overthink a referral request. They want to act fast and feel like they're helping. Let me give you a quick analogy. Imagine you're a barista and someone walks in and says, "Can you make me a coffee?" You're probably going to ask, what kind of coffee? A latte, a cappuccino, hot or iced? Do you want any sugar in it? Milk? What type of milk? Whole, oat, almond? Because you can't read their mind. When you leave it open-ended, the connector is not sure where to start, and it looks like too much effort because they also can't read your mind. Compare these. Option 1, anyone in SaaS I should talk to? Or option 2, I saw you're connected with Amy Chen, the VP of Sales at Notion. I'd love to chat with them about how they're handling onboarding metrics. Mind making an intro? Notice the difference. You name drop specific people, you mention why you want the intro, and you show them why it's relevant and easy for them to make that connection. And so now you know how to get the intro, then what? Did you follow up with your refer? Keep them in the loop? Say thanks? Let's say you send a warm introduction request. Your contact obliges and you get that golden introduction, but then you don't follow up. Say it's been a couple days and then a week, but you just let it sit. You let that opportunity slip away. Or the opportunity for future opportunities has slipped away. If someone sticks their neck out for you and you drop the ball, it doesn't just kill that opportunity, it makes them think twice about ever helping you out in the future. The reason follow-through is so important is because warm intros are like a chain. Each link is important. First, you get the intro from your contact who trusts you to reach out. Then you have to follow up and make sure that you actually connect with the person that you've been introduced to. And if you don't, that chain breaks. It's like being handed a lit match and forgetting to light the fire. Now everybody's just standing in the dark. Here's a best practice timeline. On day 1, you can thank your referrer for the introduction. By the time you have the conversation, let them know how that conversation went. And then at the end, whether you've marked it closed won or closed lost, let them know how the deal went. Here's the bottom line. Warm intros are like a gift, and skipping the follow-through is like throwing that gift in the trash. By following up quickly, providing clarity, and being thankful, you'll turn those one-time introductions into long-lasting, valuable relationships. Warm intros are only as strong as how you ask, how you frame, and how you follow through on them. Want to look like a pro? Treat your network like a partner, not a transaction.